Watch this video before you ever go to Istanbul if you plan on shopping. In this video series, my intention is to help you prepare yourself to hit the ground running in Istanbul when it comes to shopping the markets. Now, the markets can be very chaotic, very daunting, very overwhelming for a lot of you. Some of you don't like crowds. Some of you don't like haggling. Some of you have no idea what's available. Well, I'm here to help. I'm here to help make it a little more comfortable. I want you to be efficient with your time. A lot of you go to Istanbul for sightseeing, food tours, medical tourism, boat tours, and shopping. I can help with the shopping side. I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to the markets, and I have a lot of feedback from a lot of you. I've been very open to you guys on Instagram and WhatsApp especially. A lot of you have shared your stories with me, and I've shared tips and tricks with you to make your time in Istanbul as good as it possibly can be. One of my big goals here is that when you leave Istanbul, you're going to miss Istanbul and you're going to want to come back to Istanbul. So I'm going to help you with a series of videos. We're going to cover one topic per video and hopefully educate you on things that you should avoid doing, things you should do. So we're calling them best practices. And one of the key reasons why I'm having a separate series like this is that a lot of you guys are distracted when I'm making videos. You're distracted by what I'm showing in the videos, and you're not hearing the information that I'm sharing with you in the videos. A lot of you have gotten the information twisted, which can be very dangerous, which could lead you to overpaying or thinking the wrong thing when in the markets. So to correct that issue, I am making this series of videos of me just talking to you one-on-one, where I can share with you, without all the noise and all the distractions, information that will help you out, information that will save you time, avoid headaches, save you money, and have you leave in Istanbul happy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get notified when videos drop. Anyway, I'm your boy, Chris Forte. Thank you for watching.